handwoven bags that I design, and they're made, they come all the way from India.
FreezeDried Ice Cream. Today is a great day for a road trip. I'm going to a place called Acostas. It's in Lake Zurich, Illinois. It's a rather large store that sells new and consigned furniture, a bunch of other interesting items as well. Today they're having a special event. They're having a market day with booths inside and outside of the store. And it's always fun going to places like this because you never know what you're going to find. Let's check it out. I start outside, where the first vendor I see has a bunch of random items, including some antiques, which of course catch my eye. Like these very old plaster molds, they're used to make decorative accent pieces. Here's some antique rice cake molds from the late 1800s, including a bird and a fish. Now these are something you don't get to see every day. The next vendor I see is a woman from India who makes bags, purses, and various other items from a plastic wire material.
These are handwoven bags that I design, and they're made, they come all the way from India.
Really? What are they made out of?
Wires.
It's wires?
Yeah, wires.
Really?
Plastic wires. Oh. So the way, this is where it starts from. You'll be surprised. This is the one in making. So this is where it starts from. These are just the wire, and this is how they do it. They make it. I have a team in India that works for me, and I design it for them and they make it for me. This is called Pokisham. In my language, that means it's a treasure box. So this is all handmade treasures made by people, and it's all women owned. I design with them. Everybody is a homemaker. They don't know anything else other than this, and that's what you saw. And you made somebody's life really happy by making this. Thank you for doing this for us.
Oh yes. Next stop is FreezeDried Candy, fruits, veggies, and dog treats.
Well, freeze-dry stuff, of course, depends on what, I'll tell you. It's very different from dehydrated. It's what we call foamy crunch.
Okay.
Like, for example, this is beef. You see, it's crunch. It's soft. It's like It's like styrofoam.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
It's not dehydrated.
Oh, you feel that? It's soft.
Yeah.
FreezeDried Ice Cream.
Correct. And you don't have to keep it in the refrigerator because
That's crazy.
There is no
I've never
moisture
seen
in
that. FreezeDried lemon heads.
Those are the most difficult to make because you have to melt them in the oil.
So these are hard to make.
Yes.
How long does it take to make
Ice cream, it's quite long process. Ice cream usually takes up to 30 hours.
30 hours, really?
The most difficult to make are pickles. It's like 60 hours.
Oh my.
We're sold out of pineapples. Pineapples sometimes between 60 and 70 hours. Anything with meat usually runs between 28 to 40 hours. Plus, I always put additional 10 hours just to make sure that it's completely freeze-dried. Right.
Wow.
We take original candy, we buy original
candy,
and then we process them.
And this is real ice cream?
Yes, FatBoy ice cream sandwich. We just cut it in smaller pieces. I mean, I can do the whole, but then when you bite, it crunches.
Yeah.
So this is much easier. You just throw that in your mouth and you eat that.
Now, how do you make that? I have no idea how you even make
it's a special machine.
Special. Oh, okay.
Yes, I have.
And it does
5 of them. Yes. It removes the moisture, but instead of bringing temperature up, it freezes the product. It's like similar to freeze burn meat.
Yeah.
If you put something in your freezer and you don't cover that, couple months later, what happens? It's dry.
Oh, yeah.
So it's very similar to that.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you today?
You make these?
Made them all. Everything's made from recycled propane tanks.
Recycled propane tanks. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, the paint job is pretty nice too.
These are all hydro dips. I'm sure you saw it on TV. It's like a giant decal. You put it in water and you dip it through. You can dip anything. Big thing is car parts and motorcycle parts and guitars.
And what is that from the tank as well?
Right. That bottom part is this bottom part. This top part is this top part.
You just weld them together.
Right.
How long does it take you to make one of those?
I figure about 10 hours per row.
Very nice. As I head into the store, I'm looking for my son and daughter-in-law who have a table set up for their soap business. I'll see if I can sneak up on them. Too late, I've been spotted. This is my son Steven.
Good morning, how you guys doing? Look at this.
You can see that I trained him very well. He's hawking my furniture wax product, Slip and Shine.
It is amazing, our best seller. It's fantastic.
I don't know you were selling that today.
Yes, we knew you were coming, so we had to throw it out real quick.
Quick, put it out. I think they pulled in. They sell lotions, tallow, creams, soaps, and even natural products for your dog.
It could be.
So we're here with the folks at Big Bear Natural booth at Acostas, and this is the owner and proprietor of this lovely establishment, Joanna, who also happens to be my daughter-in-law. And
Hello.
So why should I buy your soaps? What makes them different?
Well, first, they're all natural. They're made with the traditional way with lye and oils. They're high quality. They're scented with essential oils, natural colorants, no micas. They will hydrate your skin, not strip it from your natural oils. And I mean, they're really cute and they smell great.
Show me your best seller.
My best seller. It's going to be this one here, Milk and Honey. It's the last one that we actually have right now.
Is there literally milk and honey in there?
Yes, there is.
I would hope so.
There is honey and there is milk. I believe coconut milk. And then this is a fun one that we just made for the 4th of July called Freedom Waves.
Very
It's made
cool.
with madder root and this is indigo powder. It's all natural colorants.
And most of all, most exciting news, she's working on an antique smelling soap. How cool is that? Soon available at bigbearnaturals.com. Check it out. Hello. This is the real stuff. I was outside. They had the freeze-dried everything. Freeze-dried ice cream.
Oh, reminds me of like the astronaut meals.
Yes. Wow, you make your own,
Pop-Tarts?
yeah, Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, we make all sorts of stuff.
As I make my way around the store, there are lots of beautiful pieces of furniture. Too bad I don't need a desk, or I'd be all over this solid tiger oak desk with curved front drawers. Guess how much? It's only $118. I mean, where are you gonna get a piece of furniture this quality for 118 bucks? So nice. Let's head up to the second floor. That's a really good idea, taking an old dresser, putting a marble top on it. Very cool. I always like these cathedral style windows. You can fill them with stained glass. They come out beautiful. I don't happen to need any right now because I'm already working on 2 of my own. These are Fusion Mineral Furniture Paints. They come in a ton of colors. I don't do a lot of furniture painting myself, but I do like it, and someday I'll have to give these a try. Here's a place right up my alley. Well, this was a fun and interesting road trip. I got to see a lot of cool things and meet some interesting people. But now it's time to head home. Before I let you go, there is one question which I'm sure is on everyone's mind. What do freeze-dried ice cream sandwiches taste like? They are actually quite delicious. It has a harder texture, but then it dissolves and disintegrates in your mouth, leaving you that chocolatey ice cream flavor. Very good. Next up, these are freeze-dried Jolly Ranchers. Boy, is that sweet. It has the texture of Cheetos, but the flavor of Jolly Ranchers. Not bad. Last up, freeze-dried chicken hearts.